Unlocking luck in language. With a bit of luck, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as hopeful as it is common, with a bit of luck. It's a small collection of words, but it's packed with meaning and optimism. So, if you're ready to add a pinch of luck to your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. With a bit of luck is an expression used to convey hope or the wish for a favorable outcome in a situation. It implies that the speaker is hoping for a little luck to help things go well. This phrase is often used when the outcome is uncertain or when the speaker wishes to emphasize the role of luck in the situation. Let's bring this phrase to life with some real-world examples. This will help you understand how and when to use it. 1. Planning and hope. Imagine you're trying to catch a bus to get to an important meeting. You might say, with a bit of luck, we'll catch the next bus and be on time for the meeting. Here, it expresses hope for a positive outcome amidst uncertainty. 2. Looking forward to something. Suppose you're talking about the weather for an upcoming outdoor event. With a bit of luck, it'll be sunny on our picnic day. It reflects the hope for good weather. 3. After making an effort. After submitting a job application, you might say, with a bit of luck, I'll get the job. It shows that while you've done your part, you're now hoping for a little luck to cross the finish line. Understanding when to use with a bit of luck is crucial. It's perfect for casual conversations and situations where outcomes are uncertain. Here are some tips. Use it to express hope or optimism. When you want to convey a hopeful outlook towards an uncertain outcome, combine it with a smile. It's a positive expression, so pairing it with a smile can enhance the optimistic tone. Avoid overuse in formal contexts. While it's a wonderful expression, it's best kept for informal or semi-formal situations. With a bit of luck, you now have a better understanding of this hopeful expression and can start incorporating it into your English conversations. It's a beautiful way to express optimism and hope for the future, adding a touch of warmth and humanity to our interactions. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions and connections. Keep practicing, and with a bit of luck, you'll master the art of English communication in no time.